in my channel. If you heard this, there's an update in Royal High and in Adopt Me, but we're not playing that, but I'm just saying, go play it if you wanna. And just go subscribe and like that big button, you know, the thumbs up button. Okay. So yeah, I don't really know what to play, cause like, yeah, and these are all my friends. Yeah, you see it right there. That's all my friends. So yeah, I should take some off for you guys. Yeah, cause some of them are like my fans. So yeah. OMG, what the heck? Piggy, but something isn't. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're gonna play. Okay, guys. Okay. So, what should we play? OMG, what should we play? That's a good question. No, really, what should we play? OMG, bro, I don't know what to play. Should we play Tower of the Hell? I think we should. Yeah, I think we should, guys. Let's play Tower of the Hell. I don't know how to say, but whatever. Tower of the Hell. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in and do this part. No, you know. Oh. What? I don't understand. Well, I'm gonna get out and come back in the game because I don't understand how to do it. Okay. But like, yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I joined the server. Wait, what? It's the same server, but whatever. We can try to do it. No, somebody made it to the top. Yeah, they dropped or left the game. Well, good, cause I didn't mean like good. They fell or left the game. I mean like good. They got to the top. Cause I don't know how to do this. I don't understand. Oh, you do that? Okay. Oh wait, what? Okay. I don't understand this. Yeah, I don't understand this at all. See, fine. I'm not gonna zoom in then, guys. Doesn't let me. OMG, come on. Wait. See, yeah, stop. See, OMG. OMG. What the? Somebody's writing in the chat. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't understand if you can read it, but I just show you. What did he say? Okay, now I'm gonna put it back. Okay. Just pause it, cause like, I don't understand. Okay. I don't understand what he says. Pero I know how to speak, but like not read Spanish. What? I don't understand that. OMG, what just happened? OMG. Yes. Okay. Okay. OMG. Okay. I don't understand. Look, I'm jumping. It's just CC. Como no? CC. I know. Como no? I know CC. Como no? But like, what? I don't understand what he's saying, or her. I don't understand. OMG, yes, 1 minute. Oh, this video is almost gonna end. It's gonna end like in 6 minutes, but that's kind of a lot. I don't know. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna try in 20 seconds. No, whoa! I fell. No, I fell. Yes, and yes! So yeah, I'm gonna okay. Okay. Girl, move. See, I said girl, move. That means move. We're almost gonna end this. We're gonna end this in 6 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna put the screen like it's supposed to be. Okay. Oh, okay. Seem cool, right? Just don't want no one in my. I'll see. I have to do this then. There, go. This is like where I think I died, right? No. We're not even close. Let's do that. Why does everyone die? Oh. This is so easy. How can they die here? Girl, if you get in my way, I could die. Wait, what? I know I jumped up. I'm so sad. Okay. I kind of hurt my head. Okay. I didn't mean to do that. No, I didn't mean to do that. I died. OMG. Okay. So, oops, I forgot this way. I just want to see, and this is my, my new outfit. So dress well, yeah. Well, it's kind of not new because I bought it like a week ago. So yeah, but like I got a YouTube channel like today, but I kind of sneaking got a new YouTube channel one day. So yeah, I got it off, and then I asked my mom if I can have a YouTube channel, and she said, "Yep, you can sure get a YouTube channel, but in one condition, you can't show your face." And I didn't. I can just talk. I can show my face when I'm 10. I'm 8. I'm 8. Cause like my birthday's gonna go like I'm actually 7, but my birthday's coming really soon. So yeah. I'm like basically 8. So yeah. It's coming like in like 1 month. I don't like in 1 month. I don't know, but like in like 1 month or 2 months. So yeah, it should. And basically my birthday. No, I died. Guys, but I think I have to end this video. I know, right? That soon. Sorry, but I have to end this video. Goodbye.